Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Dropified for product importing and pricing rules, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, log into your Dropified account. From the dashboard, navigate to the left sidebar. Click on the Settings option in the menu. In the Settings menu, find and select Product Importing. Once in the Product Importing section, locate the button that says Activate Dropified. Click on that button to begin the activation process. You may be prompted to connect your store if you haven't already done so. Follow the prompts to link your e-commerce store to your Dropified account. After connecting your store, return to the Product Importing page. Here, you will see various options related to product importing and pricing rules. To set up pricing rules, click on the Pricing Rules tab. In the Pricing Rules area, you can customize how prices are set on imported products. Start by selecting a pricing strategy that suits your business model. Adjust the markup percentage to define how much to increase the product price. You can also set rules for specific product categories if needed. Once you've made your selections, scroll down to save your changes. After saving, you can preview your rules to ensure they're set correctly. Now, you're ready to start importing products using Dropified. Simply browse through the product catalog and select items to import. With your activation and pricing rules set, you'll streamline your workflow. That's how you activate Dropified for product importing and pricing rules. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. And if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video.